Hello friends, welcome to another PowerPoint tutorial by All-in-One PowerPoint Machine. In this video you'll see how to make a laptop with PowerPoint. So if you don't know, in PowerPoint you can easily make web graphics. Let's start. So open a new blank presentation in PowerPoint. Then go here to Layout and choose Blank. Then go to Insert, Shapes, and choose this rectangle to make a laptop screen. And we take out the outline from Shape Outline, No Outline. Then press Ctrl and D to duplicate this rectangle. And I give it another color. I choose this gray. Then press Ctrl and Shift keys and drag one of the corners to make it proportionally larger, and from send backward I'm sending it behind the blue screen. I center it to the screen and I'll change its shape. Go to Edit Shape, so from Format then Edit Shape and choose Change Shape to Rounded Rectangle, and from this yellow dot I change the roundness of the corners. And I shrink the left and right edges. I then select the screen and choose another color. I choose this yellowish shade. And now I select this shape and with Ctrl and D I duplicate it. I enlarge it a little. Then I shrink it down because I want to make the laptop's base. From the yellow dot, I make the corners maximum round. I duplicate this shape with Ctrl and D, but I will change its shape. I go to Format, Edit Shape, Change Shape, and choose the normal rectangle with sharp corners. Now I change its color. I choose this dark blue-gray shade. Then I duplicate it with Ctrl and D. And I place it here for now. Now I take this rectangle, place it over it and center it. And if you want to be sure it's centered, you select both of them, go to Align and Align Center. And now let's see how to cut a custom shape in PowerPoint. So we just want to keep this down part. So we put the shape above exactly where we want to cut the one below. Select the shape below, press the Shift key, then select the shape above. Then go to Format, Merge Shapes and Subtract. And I cut the top as I want it. I now select these two shapes, align them to center. Then I pull this shape above and shrink it. Then I select them both, align them centrally and group them with Ctrl and G. And now I also have this laptop base that I center it to the screen. I'll stretch this base a bit. I'll center it again. Now I'll add a camera here and some lights here. I'm going to insert Shapes, Circle, press the Ctrl and Shift keys and draw a circle. I take out the outline from Shape Outline, No Outline. Then I decrease its size by pressing the Ctrl and Shift keys and dragging one of the corners. I add to it the color that is here. I'm getting closer to see better and move this circle in the center of the screen frame. And to better control, use the up or down arrow keys. Let's make it smaller and center it. Okay, this looks good for now. Then I go to Insert, Shapes and choose the rectangle. I remove its outline. I add to it this color and here I will put the lights. I'm getting closer to see better. I make this rectangle smaller and arrange it better. With Ctrl and C and Ctrl and V, I copy paste this small rectangle and put it here. I duplicate it with Ctrl and V, and I do this 2 more times. I extend this one. Good. Now I select these rectangles and align them to top. Then distribute them horizontally. And here's how this laptop came out. Then I select all the shapes and group them with Ctrl and G. And by pressing the Shift key, I drag a corner and make it as small as I want. And if I right click, I can save this as a picture. So I go to Save as Picture. I leave it with a .png extension so to keep the background transparent. Here I give it a name, let's say PC. I'm looking for a good place to save this image, so to quickly find it, then press Save. And now if I go to the folder where I saved the image and click on it, here's how it looks. And you can see it doesn't have that white background because the background is actually transparent. And we can use this image in any PowerPoint presentation or on a page, on a site or in a banner, anywhere on the internet. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like this tutorial, share it, give it a like and subscribe to this channel so you get notified anytime a new video comes out. And we'll meet again next time. Cheers!